Okay. Children, come. Igbo time. Sit down. Igbo time. Little sweetie, little darling, little dear.
Come back.
Yes. So what did we learn yesterday?
We learned saying hello in French.
You learned saying hello in Igbo language.
Yes.
So what is hello?
Ndewo.
Shout it.
Ndewo.
Ndewo. Good. You see?
I'm the first one to answer the question.
Okay.
We are supposed to say it.
Yes, but you said it together. So little sweetie, you can repeat. Say it.
Ndewo.
Little darling, say it. Ndewo. Good. So today we are learning something new.
Yeah.
What are we learning?
We are learning how to say good afternoon in Igbo language.
Beautiful, but we will start with good morning.
Okay.
So good morning is Ụtụtụ ọma.
Ụtụtụ ọma.
Ụtụtụ ọma.
Ụtụtụ. Mommy,
Ụtụtụ ọma. Yes, when you see me in the morning, you say Ụtụtụ ọma, mommy. Oh, yeah, say it.
Mommy, that is so cute. Mommy, ụtụtụ ọma.
Ụtụtụ ọma.
Madam, ụtụtụ ọma.
Madam Ụtụtụ ọma. All right, guys. So this morning, what we've learned is Ụtụtụ ọma, and the children can say it. Ụtụtụ ọma.
Ụtụtụ ọma, mommy, madam.
So see you tomorrow. We'll continue to make progress. Today is our day 2. We started yesterday. My children must learn how to speak Igbo.
So we